Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Silvester. I'm the online content editor for ZMDI TV News, which broadcasts from United Kingdom, bringing you live video news clips from Zimbabwe. And my mandate here today is to thank you, guys who have subscribed to ZimDI TV News YouTube channel, which now has more than 250 news video clips, whether it was a government official, it was a pastor, anything that we could put our hands on in Zimbabwe. However, what I want to say is thank you so much for supporting us for the past 4 months that we have been in business, broadcasting from United Kingdom. We want to continue to do that, and we want to do more than what we have been doing now. We want to move to a better platform where we'll be able to discuss news and the current affairs issues affecting Zimbabweans worldwide. But before that, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel, which is ZimDI TV News. .com on our website, and also on our YouTube channel, which is ZimDI TV News. I also encourage you, those who are watching now, who have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, our website, and our Facebook platform, to do so now, so that you will not miss out on the news video clips that we will be uploading almost every day. This gives you a platform to discuss issues that affect you from our home country, Zimbabwe, wherever you are. The difference is what we offer is new news in video clips, and the news that we give you, no one can come back to you and say, I was misquoted. It's different from having news in text, where we have a lot of armchair reporting, where people can just sit down in his office or in his house, scribble some notes, lie to the whole world that A, B, C, D has done this and that, but ours is news in video. Here and there, yes, we'll bring you news in text, or we can also bring you some audio clips where we could not film or get a video clip of that news story. But however, I want to say we have a whole host of journalists in Zimbabwe scattered across the country who are there to bring you news as it happens. We'll bring you breaking news. We'll also following up on developing stories, and we'll also be looking at other bizarre incidences that are taking place in and around Zimbabwe, and those that are related to Zimbabweans. So if you think of answering, there would be potential maybe questions in your mind about what's happening in Zimbabwe, first come to zimditvnews.com, search for the particular video, whether it's a Chompo who has given a speech or a press conference, press statement, or anything that you will have heard that it came out of a rally that a particular minister was addressing. We will be having that on ZimDI TV News. So my mandate is here to tell you that trust ZimDI TV News for the news that you will be looking for. So come to us first, and we'll promise you we'll give you that. And if you don't find it with us, just email to us and ask us. We have heard about what's happening in Bulawayo and Gweru, in Harare. Can you tell us more on what's happening? We can also make a follow-up to that if we don't have that video clip or audio clip that tells you the truth of what's happening on the ground in Zimbabwe. But what I also want to tell you today is ZimDI TV is going to another level. We would want to interview political figures on ZimDI TV News, celebrities, anyone who is making news that is related to every Zimbabwean who is out there wherever you are. So the next platform that we are going to offer is some discussions of current affairs, of what's happening in Zimbabwe. We will be having a seasoned journalist who will be hosting those current affairs live discussions here on ZimDI TV News, and you'll be able to see that on YouTube, you'll be able to see that on Facebook, and we will also be able to play live the videos of a particular which are going to form the basis of our discussions, coming from wherever they will be coming from, but they must maybe for instance related to Zimbabweans. So for you to be able to know what's happening at any given time, week in, week out, I urge you for now to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ZimDI TV News. You just click the red subscribe button, and then if you are not subscribed to YouTube, they will ask you just for your email, then you subscribe. This is important because you'll be able to know what topics we'll be discussing. You'll be able to know what news video clips have been loaded to our YouTube channel or to our Facebook or to our website. Regera kusarira tirikuti isusu subscribe ku zimditvnews.com pano pa YouTube, pa Facebook, uyo zvekare nepa website pedu, kuitira kuti ugokwanisa kunge uchive wekutanga kuziviswa kuti nhasi tiri kutaura nezvei. Zvatichange tichiita zvekuti tinechikwanisa kutaura nevatungamiriri vese vanotipa nhau kana kuti vanoita kuti tiwane nhau, angave Kasukuere, angave Temba Mliswa, angave Mamijuru, angave ani waungafungidzira zvako watinokwanisa, anokwanisawo zvakare kutaura neveruzhinji asingawande. Tichazenge tiinaye tichivaunza live, vachizvipindurira zvimwe zvinhu zvamunenge muchida kuziva. Nemiwo ndimi munenge muchiitirwa izvi kuitira kuti mubvunze mubvunzo using the text chat platform, which will be available to ask questions, and then the presenter will also ask those questions on your behalf, and they will be answered. And some of you, our subscribers, you will be able to come live. If you are on Skype, we can hook you up, then you can go live with the presenter and also ask questions to anyone who will be interviewing on that particular day. It could be just an artist who is in dancehall or in gospel or any other music genres that you may think of that will be happening here live on TV News. So what I can only say to you is not to miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, ZimDI TV News, and also to our website, zimditvnews.com, and our Facebook group, which is ZimDI TV News. My name is Silvester Tufumane. I'm the online content editor for ZimDI TV News. If you have got any news that you think we've missed out or you want to find out more, you can also email to us, editor at ZimDI TV News, and we will be able to help you by finding the information that you are not sure of, or you can send us to go and do an interview to a particular person who is making news that time or during those days, and we will be able to do that. But for now, I want to say thank you so much for having faith in our product that we are giving you. 3,400 subscribers in 4 months is not easy. We can only thank you, our viewers, for having hooked to us. But I know there are so many people that come to watch, but they don't subscribe. It's disastrous. You are a risk taker because you miss out on a lot of things. Right now we have over 250 videos on our YouTube channel, and you cannot promise me that you have seen all of them. If you've done that, well, thank you so much. But if you have missed because you have not subscribed to our channel. You are just a visitor and you are going. We value your subscription. We want you to receive news instantly as it happens. Don't hear other people at your workplaces, at your college, talking about what's happening in Zimbabwe. Be the first to hear and to view the video first, and then you are the one who is going to tell others what's happening in Zimbabwe, because you would have seen it yourself with your eyes, and not from hearsay. That's the reason why I'm saying you need to subscribe to ZimDiTVnews.com, so that you don't miss out. I know you love Zimbabwe. I know you're concerned about the situation in Zimbabwe, and we are the people who can only bring you what's happening on the ground live as it happens. We'll be having the videos or any story that is making the headlines. Thank you so much. Until we meet again, we will be updating you on how far we have gone as far as setting up the platform. We have presenters that will be in Zimbabwe. We have presenters worldwide that will be able to do that. But if you think you can also present and you are a seasoned a political analyst, hook up with us so that we get to know where you are, because we'll also be having analysts who will be giving us their view or their opinion concerning the particular stories that we'll be discussing that week. It depends with the field that you are in. Maybe that week we would need a lawyer, and it's Magaisa. We'll be able to talk to him live on ZimDiTV News. If it's a lawyer who is Msipa, we'll be able to get to learn more about whether the issues concerning the legalities of anything that we'll be discussing are discussed to the full length by bringing people in authority in various fields, whether it's medical, whether it's political analysts. Bring authentic political analysts who are not biased, who are not looking at one side, but that's what is in stock for you on ZimDiTV News. You are going to go places with us, and we are going to go places with you. Thank you so much. God bless you until we meet again. My name is Silvester. I have to sign off for now.